Are you working with Microsoft Edge in 2024 and you're having a lot of issues? Well, I'm going to show you how to face this problem. It's actually very simple and straightforward. Let's say I've seen this actually at my workplace. A user tried to open Edge. It's very, very slow. It's not responsive. It's giving you some error message. So what you need to do is to go to settings and more, and then click on it and then go to settings. Well, the best way to fix this problem is to do one thing: reset settings. So when you restore settings to that default value, it's going to do the following. This will reset your startup page, your new tab page, search engine, and pin tabs. It will also turn off all extensions, because sometimes extensions also make your browser run very slow, and it's going to clear the temporary data like cookies, your favorite history, and save password will not be cleared. So your save password will still be available. Just click reset. So when you click reset, this may actually take some time, but if you just click, some people will just keep on clicking reset and reset. You can see it says settings were reset. So what we just need to do is, I would advise you, close your browser and restart your device. Very important, restart your device before you open Microsoft Edge again. Not just open Microsoft Edge, but restart your device and then open Microsoft Edge again.